Hey, what is up, guys? It is Cole over at Cuda's Diecast Customs. Today we have an out-of-the-blue mail call from Flying Valiant and 2HD Cat. I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I was not expecting anything, and I completely forgot the 2HD Cat wheeling and dealing. Me and him have been talking back and forth. He wants a couple of cars of mine, and I told him I'll send them your way. I didn't expect him sending me the box this soon, and I cannot wait to show you guys what's inside. Now for Chuck over at Flying Valiant, he said something went missing in his last 3 Blind Mice video. So, maybe it finally showed up. I don't know. We're gonna have to see. Let's get into it, guys. So what we're gonna start with is, of course, Chuck's box, because it's the first box I gotta open here. A couple things in here, and of course, a Flying Valiant sticker. If you haven't already, go follow him, go subscribe to him. He's an awesome builder, and he's one of my close friends now. I love it. So we're going to put that on the sticker wall as always. Actually, I'm going to put that on the toolbox, but that's besides the point. So what else we have in here is the directions, or his plan that he used for the 3 Blind Mice. This is cool. And he says, "You're doing great, Cole. Keep building, dreaming, and growing. Stay fresh." And then he signed it. That's awesome. I'm going to cherish this note. So guys, if you don't know, if you do send me stuff and it comes with a note or something like this, I will keep it. I keep all your guys' treasures. I appreciate everything. And especially sticker. Like, I love stickers, and I have stickers all over my workbench, all over my toolbox, everything. So we finally are moving on to the last little thing. So there's a little rubber band. I'm going to cut it because I'm stupid. That kind of hurt, but it's okay. And I'm going to unroll it. What do you got here? And wow, it is what I thought it was. It is the, gosh, I forget. It's the panel truck that he did. This is sweet. If you guys haven't seen this video, please go check it out. It's the coolest thing. My name is on this license plate, I think. Yes, it is. That is sweet. So he did this custom panel truck. This is awesome. This is the first, second commission build that I've received from a builder. And Chuck, I appreciate it, man. I owe you big time again, and I'm gonna cherish this car forever. This is awesome. Thanks, bud. Put it off to the side here. Got another box. That's always good. And more bubble wrap. Alright. So, put that to the side. We're going to move on to the 2HD Cat wheeling and dealing cars. So, the story is he found these cars on eBay, I believe. And he got a really, really good deal. And I don't think he really, per se, wanted them. So he asked me, "Hey, would you be interested in these cars?" I told him, sure, and it just went from there. So, there's a lot of cars in here, a lot of cool old matchboxes. I like old matchboxes. Some of these I might not even do anything with, but if they're crusty enough, I will do something with them. Okay, that's pretty cool. What else we got there? Nice. That's cool. Oh, no way. A couple more in here. Shouldn't just dump these out, but that's alright. So, a lot of these are in bags, some aren't. So, what we're going to start here is a 1968 Lesney Ford heavy wrecker truck. It's still, the bit's a little chewed up, but that's cool. I have not owned any of these really old ones. I have a couple, but now I have a lot of them, and I am excited about this. This is awesome. So that's the first thing. We got a fire truck from, let's see where this one's from. It's a fire pumper truck made by Lesney, number 29. It's very cool. I have one of these, actually, but it's more beat up. It's a super fast number 17 made in England. That's pretty cool. Double-decker bus. So, what do we got next? We got another Matchbox. What does it say here? Let's see if I can read this. My eyes are crap today. Made in England by Leslie. Number 70. Little dump truck type thing. That's pretty cool. Made from England, 1969. Lamborghini. I've seen Rob over at Matchbox. Oh my gosh, I cannot remember his name. But Rob over across the lake does a lot of these, and he customizes them. That's cool. And the glass. Look at the glass on that. It's like brand new. Got another truck, 1969. Cool. A Jeep. The U.S. nailed truck. It's a Jeep. AMC. That's kind of cool. That's nice. The windshield's missing as always, but you can make one or replace one. Oh, this is cool. It's a freaking tractor. 1972. What's the name? Oh, just a Matchbox. But it's like a drag tractor. Believe it or not, I'm working on a tractor right now. Just a heads up, guys. Also, before we move on, there is another heads up I have for you guys. So if you notice I am posting a lot in the next week, that is because there's a lot of build-offs, and I'm taking part in a lot of them. So, just a heads up, this video is going to come out, today is Thursday, let's see here, the 11th. So I think I'll either post this tonight or tomorrow. And then there's a video Saturday, that's the 1K 1 year diecast build off with Andrew over at Maple Leafs Matchbox. And then on Monday it's the Diecast Mafia build off. We're doing the 442 build. That's a really cool one. And then on Wednesday we have Paul over at Diecast Graveyard's Paint It Green Challenge. So there's a lot coming up. I'm very excited and I cannot wait to see everyone else's stuff. So just want to give you guys a heads up and prepare you for a lot of videos coming up. Let's get back to our mail call. So, ooh, this is cool. This is an old one. This is a made in England Leslie. It's a Fiat. That's different. I've never seen one of those. Maybe do something with that. Ooh. Another Matchbox. 1978. That's pretty cool. I don't know if anything's missing here. I think it is, because this comes up, but that's cool. This is what I looked at when I first got this. This is pretty cool. To Rollmators, 1973, Leslie product. It's like a tank. It's pretty sweet. Sheriff car. I've actually restored one of these for a buddy of my dad's, and I did some cool custom with this. And yep, that's what it is. The Plymouth Fury Matchbox, 1979. That's pretty sweet. Might do another one. Now this is cool, this is different. This is it looks like a Formula 1 car, Team 8 Matchbox. It's a Matchbox made 1973. Team Matchbox. That's pretty sweet, I like that. A couple more here, guys. I have one of these actually. It sucks that that's broken, but that's okay. It's a Leslie product, it's a fire truck. Interesting looking fire truck, I do have to say so myself. And our last little truck. I've seen people do these. It's the wildlife truck. It's pretty cool. It has like a spin thing. I'm not sure what it does. I think something was supposed to be on there, but that's cool. So, Chuck, 2HD Cat, guys, thank you so much. This is awesome. I'm glad I was able to do a cool mail call. Chuck, thank you for the build. I owe you one, brother, as always. And again, guys, if you haven't seen this video, please go check it out. It's a pretty cool video. He took on one of my challenges that he calls Cole's Law, and he did an amazing job. He blew me away. I'm very impressed, and I am glad to have this card in my collection. This is going on my shelf in my room. So that's cool. And also, 2HD Cat, dude, thank you for all the cars. You will be getting your box very shortly. Guys, as always, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the mail call and look forward to a lot of videos coming up next week. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye.